How to fix PNC Bank mobile banking app not working. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. There are a couple of things why a PNC Bank is not working. First is maybe your mobile banking application is on update and your server is updating as well, or your server is down. In that case, you have to wait for a while. If not, open up your phone settings. Then tap on Apps and head to All Apps. Search for PNC Bank on the search bar. Tap on the app, force stop it and head to Storage and Cache. Then clear up the cache. Once you do this, you can also do this process by the second method by pressing and holding your application and heading to App Info. Repeat the process of force stopping it and clear up the cache. Once you are done from here, you can head back and open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for PNC Bank on your search bar. Tap on it, and if there is any update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch to your cellular data if your Wi-Fi is acting up, or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And that is how you can fix the issue of your app not working. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.